So my exterior cleaning process goes like this. First, I will use some dedicated wheel cleaner. Just spray that all over the wheels. Make sure you're getting right in the barrels. And then I go down with the pre-wash, some Nitty Gritty, and an IK sprayer from Gelato Care. Once I've let them both dwell for a wee bit, I then go on and snow foam it and let this dwell. This just gives it a wee bit more time and a wee bit more kick to get as much dirt off the car as possible. So once you've let this sit for a wee while and dwell, go round and rinse it all off. This should hopefully take off the majority of the dirt on the car to have the safest possible wash. Next, I move on to the wheels, so give them a wee bit of snow foam. Now, I'll speed this up, so I'll try and be quick. So, tyres, barrels go up side to side when you're doing the barrels of the alloys. Do the wheel arches, go in with a wee brush if need be to get the tighter areas, then a wee wash mitt to clean them, and just rinse all that off and repeat for the 4 wheels. So once the wheels are done, we're onto the contact wash. So I will spray some more snow foam on just for a wee bit of extra lubricant, and then I've started to do this, get an older wash mitt and just go around the bottoms of the car and just wash that off before anything else. Just because sometimes there's wee bits of like grass and stuff still stuck to them, and then go in with your contact wash. Always make sure you're using the 2 bucket method. In 1 bucket, get a wee rinse out, and then into the second bucket. Then just give that all a rinse off. So once you've rinsed all that off, it's time to protect and seal the car. I'm using Gelato Care's Flex Sealer here. Just whack a bit in your snow foam cannon and go around the whole car and protect it. Depending on temperatures, usually about 3 and 5 minutes, let this sit on the car and then just rinse it off. So once all that's rinsed off, you want to now dry the car. I'm using a twisted lip drying towel from Gelato Care. Most of these products are Gelato Care, so make sure to check them out below. I'll give them a wee tag. So one of the last stages is a wee bit of tyre shine. Just go around and give all 4 tyres a wee bit of shine just to finish off the whole look. And then I like to go around with a wee microfiber and just sort of maybe dry off the wheels just in case you've missed a wee bit, because sometimes that does happen on the wheels. And then this is your end result. Absolutely gleaming.